Morning everyone. So today is Friday and today kahit tayong malala because magwe-weekends na no. And hindi tayo babiyahe ng weekends because we need to go to the main city just to resupply. So hopefully today maging okay yung ating income. So online na tayo. We're just waiting for order. Kung wala pa rin pumasok, we will go to the hotspot. So time check 10:20. Medyo maaga tayo. Maaga nakapasok si Lawrence sa school. So 10:20 to 3 and then around 5 till 10 or 11. So we'll see how much we can get today with Uber Eats. Let's go. Alimuna lang tayo. Okay, now we're ready. Let's go. Oops. So may nakuha tayong quiz. I'll show you guys. Friday 5 to 9. So we have 38 for 6 trips, 22 for additional 3, and 24 for additional 3. So we got Friday and Saturday quest. So kaya lang natin gawin yan yung Friday na sayang. Pero okay lang, kaya natin bawiin yan sa ibang araw. So wala pa rin pumapasok. Let's go to the hotspot. So sa mga nag-subscribe or nag-follow sa last 2 videos, maraming salamat. We'll keep you posted sa mga upcoming videos. Nakatanggap tayo ng order $6.36. Okay, let's do that. Baker's Delight. Okay, nandito tayo sa pickup. Let's do that. Alright, na-pick up na natin, no? So, we have 3.5 kilometers away from the customer. So, yung mga binamano, madalas di ko siya dinedecline, no? Since wala pa naman order na malalaking pumapasok. We'll just do this just instead of waiting and burning fuel. So saglit lang siya, 6 minutes away. So these are order number 1. Kasi yung mga malalaking order, pansin ko nag-i-start siya ng mga 11 hanggang maghapon na yon. So this one is Live by the Dough. Live by the Dough. Kaya pala guys, so share ko lang dito sa Australia may mga speed limit, no? Di ka guys atin sa Pilipinas. Kung kaya mo, kaya mo. Dito, pag within town, it's 50 kilometers per hour. Pag nasa main ka, 40. And if you're going through a school zone, kung may bata sa pagiligid, kailangan mo mag 25 kilometers per hour. So pag na-tsempohan ka ng police, no, medyo mabigat yung fine, depende sa speed mo. Kumbaga kung ano yung dinagdag mo dun sa limit sa within the area. So aside from fine, depende sa offense, minsan meron pang demerits. Demerits, nakadikit yun sa driver's license mo. Pag masyado ang maraming demerits, pwede nila i-cancel yung license mo, suspend. Depende sa klase ng offense. So here, I think nahuli ako twice. Pero not while I'm doing Uber. Siguro first week na dumating ako sa Australia, nahuli ako. Kasi na-disregard ko yung stop sign, no, sa train railway. So hindi ako nakapag-stop, dire-diretso lang ako. Hindi ko napansin na may pulis palang nakatago. So yung fine nasa $500. Good thing pwede ka mag-installment dito kung di mo kayang bayaran ng. At hindi pa ako nabigyan ng demerit points kasi since kararating ko lang sa Australia, um, naka LTO license pa ako. So hindi nila ako mabigyan ng demerit points. Fortunately nung license na ako sa Australia, hindi na yun nata-transfer. So nahuli ako twice. Yung pangalawa, yung anak ko nagtanggal ng seatbelt sa kanyang shoulder. So inusog niya lang, no? Nakatsempohan tayo doon. Medyo mabigat din yung penalty. Nasa almost $100. So kailangan natin mag-ingat. So we got the same customer again. Okay, now we're done with that. We just got an order from McDonald's.
Oh,
$14
yes.
for 10 kilometers. So let's grab that real quick. So 8 minutes tayo from McDonald's. So hopefully pagpatak ng 11, no, lumabas na yung mga grocery pickup. Because for me, yun yung pinakamadaling gawin. At malaki yung bayad din. Okay, we're here at Macca's. Let's go and pick up the second order. Alright guys, so we just pick up the order. 4 kilometers away, 5 minutes. Medyo nagka-issue pa, no? Kasi may isang driver na dumating. Same order yung gusto niyang pick upin. So, yun. Since ako yung nauna, nag-giveaway siya. So, usually happens, no? I mean, di naman usually, pero nangyayari siya. Ang ginagawa ng driver, kung sino yung naunang dumating, syempre, out of respect, pag kailangan mo mag-giveaway, then wait ka na lang sa next order mo. So for me, happens once a day, twice a day. Pero okay lang kasi pag nangyayari yun, may pumapasok naman agad. Okay, let's go. Morning, Matt. Okay, we're done with the second drop off. May pumasok ng $6, but medyo malayo yung kilometers, no? So nag-refuse tayo this time. Antay tayo medyo okay na orders. So usually, you know, before ma-complete yung order, it's either you take a photo or sometimes na gas ng 4-digit pin si Uber. Makukuha mo yun sa customer. Kadalasan yung mga ganun, meet at the door. So they will give you the pin and then you'll just put it on the app to complete the order. So yung third na order na pumasok sa atin, i-refuse natin, no? Kasi medyo malayo siya. Tapos yung bayad is maliit lang. We'll try to get a better order. Pero pagka naka-request tayo, no, hindi natin, ang target natin makuha natin yung mga short trips. Kasi nga may time limit. So madalang lang ako mag-refuse. Not unless grocery na ikaw yung mag-grocery sa shop na more than like 20 pataas na items. Kasi yun, it's very time consuming. Kaya mas prefer ko yung mga maliliit na order. So I don't worry about the payment because like I saw earlier, meron ng additional na bonus pagka na-complete mo yung 6 or 3 trips. So nababawi naman yan, no? Kaya walang problema. Alright, so copy Delicioso, $7 for 5
Nice.
kilometers. let's get that. It's not hard to do. So 1.7 kilometers from the pickup shop. Let's go. Hello everyone, so 5 p.m. na, no? We'll start doing the quest for today. So quest for today, 12 total of 12 trips. And you can get additional 70 something dollars. So kaninang umaga nag-trip tayo pero unfortunately sobrang slow, no? $89 lang yung nakuha natin. So let's wait for orders. Okay. So unang order, McDonald's, $14 for 6 kilometers. Okay.
Head to your pickup at McDonald's registered sign.
Let's go. Alright guys, so na-pick up na natin.
Head to your drop off at 22 6th Street.
1.8 kilometer from the drop off. So medyo madilim, no? Ang forecast today is uulan mamaya. So, sana matapos na natin yung quest bago umulan para hindi siya mahirap. Let's go. So yung unang quest,
300 meters
6 trips for $38, I think. Kasi dati every 3 trips lang eh. Pero ngayon 6. So let's try to do 6-3 race less than 2 hours. So since wala pa, break tayo sa hotspot na. Okay, we got another one. Hungry Jacks for $7. Wow! 5 kilometers. So yung sinasabi sa order na 5 kilometers, it already includes the mileage going to the shop and the mileage going to the customer. So yung pick up and drop off combination na yun. Time check 5:20, pinasukan tayo ng second quarter. Alright guys, so 7 minutes tayo nagantay, no? And 70 minutes din papunta sa drop off point. Alright guys, so hindi pa ka nakakabalik ng sakyan. May over na po $14 for McDonald's. So I think most of the orders now are for dinner. So balik tayo McDonald's, it's 7 minutes away. Let's go. Alright, so done with the pickup. Almost 4 kilometers away from the drop off.
Wait for connection.
5:50 pa lang. 6 minutes, let's go. So may hit natin yung 3 orders per hour. Pero mas maganda sana kung 5 or 6. So I mean, usually 4 to 5 lang, no? 5:55. Tapos sa ating 3 order, no? Okay, 3 pa para kuha natin yung unang incentive. So wala pang pumapasok. See? $17 for 5 items. We can do that. So let's go to grocery. Alright guys, so
Waiting for connection.
done with the grocery.
Bluetooth connection success.
Okay, so 4 minutes. 1.6 kilometers away.
Alright, guys. Yeah, just for a quick recap for today's video. Total earnings that we got is $214.97. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi na natin medyo hinabol yung biyahe
Just
kasi
head into the
we
roundabout and
almost
take the
hit the
second
target
exit
of
onto Broadway.
1,500 per week. So for this week's earning, it's $1,471. So for
Turn
today,
left
we
on
only
Norman
did
Street,
15
then
trips.
turn left.
Unfortunately, since hindi na siya naging masyadong busy sa gabi, nakakuha lang tayo ng isang incentive. So we'll just try again next week. And kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ganitong klaseng
Continue
video,
straight through the
please
roundabout
like,
onto
share,
Norman
subscribe.
Street.
And kung may tanong kayo, just comment down below. Thank you very much for supporting our vlog. Have a good day.